In this video, I'll show the InDesign script GREP replace from Spreadsheet. Instead of repeated visits to the InDesign Find Change dialog, make a spreadsheet of the GREP patterns and replacements, and perform the changes in a few mouse clicks. I'll demonstrate the script in Windows. It works the same on macOS. Before using the script, we need a spreadsheet of GREP patterns and replacements. I'm using Excel. Any spreadsheet program should do. The spreadsheet needs at least 2 columns and can be any number of rows. The first row is the header, which identifies each column. The minimum columns are one for GREP patterns and another for replacements. In this example, the columns are labeled Find and Change. These could just as well be Match and Replace. The precise column names or their order are not important, and there's no harm in extra columns. Which column is the GREP pattern and which is the replacement are selected in the script interface. In the remaining rows, list each GREP pattern and replacement. This example is looking for manual contents and a section number, which is captured. Then the capture is part of the replacement, along with the proper title for the section. This is just one example of what GREP can do. There is plenty more, which I won't explore in this video. To learn more, search YouTube for regular expressions. You'll find plenty. For the script to work, the spreadsheet has to be comma-separated values. In the File menu, choose Save As, and for Save As Type, select CSV UTF-8, comma delimited. That will be the file the script uses. Now let's go to InDesign and run the script. To run the script, open the Scripts panel. I already have the script installed in InDesign. For help adding scripts to InDesign, see the link in the description for another video that shows the steps. In the list, select the script GREP Replace from Spreadsheet. Double-click to run it. The interface has 2 sections: Data File and Options. In the first section, click the File button and navigate to the data file. Select the CSV file and click OK. The path to the file appears beside the button. Once the file is selected, the script determines the columns it contains and fills the drop-down lists. Any column names that match the defaults will have those drop-down lists set. Otherwise, choose the column name in each list. The next section is Options. Whole word ignores matches within words. For example, if disabled, searching for cat also matches the cat in category. Next is Case Insensitive. When enabled, matches occur even when the letter case is different. Also, the option Keep Capitalization becomes available. If enabled and the text found is capitalized, the change is also capitalized, even if the replacement isn't. This is for words that are normally not capitalized, but could appear at the beginning of a sentence. The last option is Confirm Each Change. If enabled, the user is asked to confirm each match or skip it. Also, the option Zoom is enabled. This magnifies the view to the value set to better show changes to confirm. With everything set, click OK. When Confirm Each Change is enabled, the first match is selected and a palette appears. If the palette obscures the view, it can be moved, even to a secondary display. What the buttons do should be clear. Click OK to make the change, and the next match is displayed. But not obvious is that OK All and Skip All do not refer to all changes. These refer to all matches found for the current row of the spreadsheet. For the next row, the palette appears again. This continues until all rows are processed. The only button that stops everything is Cancel. Continue confirming or skipping changes, and when done, the script alerts the user. If for some reason the results are not desired, go to the Edit menu and select Undo. Download the script and give it a try. See the link in the description. Any problem with the script or ideas for others, leave a comment. All suggestions are welcome. If this solution works for you, like the video and subscribe to this channel. It keeps more videos coming.